Hi everyone, it's me again, the tiny robot narrator. This time I'll be explaining about Bhawishya experiment. So you're wondering what experiments you can do in the event, and this video will try to explain that. So first, there are some rules that you have to remember. Rule number 1 is safety first. You cannot use any hazardous products like these during the experiment. Hazardous materials are strictly prohibited. Now you can't bring these to do the experiment, but you have experiments that need a few of these, like a power tool, the drill. So there is a special stall for that called Makerspace that will be provided by Karkhana, and there will be some supervisors to make sure that everyone's safe while handling hazardous tools. Also, make sure to bring your own first aid kit in case of a minor cut or a bruise. Okay, so rule number 2, the experiment has to be STEAM related. This is a STEAM challenge, so you have to make sure that your experiment aligns with these in mind. Now, one common question is, can your experiment be only arts or only math? And the answer is sadly no. This is a STEAM challenge. It has to have science element in it. Okay, so rule number 3, you have to bring your own materials. Karkhana will support with Makerspace and some basic materials, but you'll be responsible to bring your own equipment. Okay, so those were the rules. Now let's take a look at one example of an experiment. The balancing. This will be an experiment in balancing two pencils. So you may be wondering if it is possible to balance one pencil on top of another. It's very difficult. Without any kind of support, it's not possible. So how can you do it? And the answer is, you have to use some extra weights. So for example, by adding something like this, I can make it balance on top of another. So just like that, bouncing. Okay, so that was a very simple experiment demonstrating the idea of center of mass. Now if you have a similar idea, you can apply it to Bhawishya experiment. Just make sure to follow 3 rules and your team can register for the event through our website.